star ratings for posts. David, you put together a few slides that can help us introduce this add-on to the BD community. So if it's all right, I'll pass over the reins to you.
Absolutely. Very much looking forward to this add-on. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for this, but first, let's dive into just a general overview of what it is. It is pretty simple at its core. It will allow users to review posts and leave star ratings, 1 through 5 stars, with their comments on the posts that have been published to your website. So this works hand in hand with the free community comments feature. So with that, you can select which post types on your website you want to allow members to be able to comment on. And then with this star ratings for posts add-on, members can then be able to leave a star rating to go along with their comment. So the overall rating of an individual post, that will be calculated automatically based off of all the ratings that have been left on that post, and that overall rating will be displayed both on the post detail page itself as well as in the search results page for the post. So this will be a great way when people are scrolling through your articles, your videos, your properties, they'll be able to quickly at a glance see the rating for all of those different posts.
Let's actually take a look and see what these star ratings look like when they're enabled on a website. And the real secret sauce to these different use cases is really the title at the top of the comments section that's going to get people's attention. So let's dive right in here and look at some examples here. For an event, this is just on our sample demo site, The Lion King on Broadway. And we created a post here. This is a recurring event on Broadway. We link out to the Ticketmaster website where we are an affiliate. And if we scroll down, the title above the section, that's what's really cool about this add-on. And what we've done is for each post type, you can choose what the title will be above the comments section. So if you're using the star ratings for a post type, you can say explicitly, rate this event, share comments below. And let's just leave a 5-star comment and we'll go ahead and comment. And there's our comment right there. Love The Lion King, watch it with the kids. If we look at coupons, so Best Buy has 50% off or more on electronics. This has a 3-star rating for this deal, for this coupon deal. And we're also linking to the Best Buy website with our affiliate link. So if anyone goes there, the website owner is getting a little bit of coin there. So this one says, rate this deal. Is the promo code working? So we've put a different title message here, and it's more related to deals and coupons. I'll leave a 1-star review. We'll go ahead and comment. This one got a lot of comments, we can see. So super cool there. Let's keep it moving with more examples. So this is a product review of a washer and dryer set, 4-star rating, and it's got 5 total reviews. And we can see here again the star ratings here. The title says rate and review this product. So this is more in line with what we would see on like an Amazon website or any type of product website, electronics website, or even Best Buy's website. Here's an interesting one. You can grab movie previews from YouTube, and depending on the vibe of your website, if you're educational, if you're industry specific, and have a section of not just movie previews, but just tutorial videos and curate them yourself on your website. So this is the Avatar 2 movie trailer, The Way of the Water. I haven't seen it yet. It's only rating at 3.3, but James Cameron is doing just fine, guys. And if we scroll down, it says rate and review this movie below. So we can see, again, we've augmented and modified the title here to match the post type that we're looking on. And this person did not like the movie. They left a 1-star review. And I think we got 2 more here. This is a property listing. This is the Ritz-Carlton Residences in Waikiki Beach. Join us there for the next Brilliant Directories event. This has a 3.6 out of 5. And if we scroll down, it explicitly says, rate this hotel, how was your stay? And we can see how these star ratings can now be used with different post types. Even if you're creating or renaming your post types to be for different things, you can find a reason and a good title for the section for people to leave star ratings. And then this last one here is literally just a support documentation we copied from the Brilliant Directories support portal, how to connect a domain to a Brilliant Directories website. And if we scroll down, the question that we're asking people here is, not if they like the article, is was the article helpful? Rate and comment below. So if you have how-to articles or tutorials, you as the website owner can see the overall score. So if you're seeing that an article is trending with lower scores, you might want to update that article or see how you can improve it so that it's more helpful or informational or informative for the people who are reading that article. Let's also take a look at the search results pages. We can see this, the overall star rating is at the top of the post. There's also an option to include it right here, right above the post section, so you can see the overall star rating. Let's take a look in the search results here. Here we go. So we can see the property listing for the Ritz-Carlton, beds, baths, square footage, and then we have the overall star rating here. This will automatically be here if you enable the star rating add-on for the post type. We'll just look at a couple more, and then we'll look at the settings in the admin area on how you can enable this when you have the add-on. So we can see here for the movie trailer, the star rating here on the right, neatly tucked in. And if you go into grid view, it shows there right under the category name. And because there's just a little bit of less space here, it only shows the stars, not the actual numbers there, like here where there's a little more horizontal space. So let's go into the admin area. If you go to your interaction sections and go to post comments, and when a comment has a star rating, it will be here. It looks kind of like the same as member review stars. So what we've done here is a bit different than what was here previously. Before, everything was a global setting. The title was a global setting and enabling it and everything else. So what you'll do is you'll select the post types that you even want comments to work on to be enabled for. And when you do that, then the tabs will be available here. So if we look at coupons, coupon post type, you can have, here's the big one, you can use an alternate title for this comment section. So this alternate title is replacing the default title for all the other comment sections. And this is what really makes each comment section unique based on the post type. So for the coupons, we said, rate this deal. Is this promo code working? And then here on a per post basis now, before it was global, you can choose if you want to moderate the comments, display the comment count in the search results, display the comment count on the detail page. And with the add-on, you'll have these extra settings here to enable the star rating with the initial comment. What's even cooler is there is a setting so you can limit users so they can only rate a post one time. The same person can't leave multiple star ratings for the same post. That's a setting that you can enable there. And then of course, display the star rating in search results pages. That is an option, you don't have to. And display the star rating on the post detail page. You can have it above the post, above the comments section, or above the post and the comments section. So why this is really exciting is to really enrich the commenting experience for visitors and the members and the authors of the post. So again, this is just the tip of the iceberg for more features that will be built into the comments section, but we can see a wealth of power just with this enable star rating for the post types. We definitely look forward to see how you use this add-on on your site, and hopefully it helps you get more engagement from your members and website visitors.